Foi sem querer que ouvi, mas com querer me fizeste sentir assim. Não foi por bem, nem foi por mal.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that you guys are blessed and having an amazing start to this new month. I am back with a new video. So I have a new wig from UNICE and they are available on Amazon Prime. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the details, links listed in the description box below. So the wig that I picked up this time is this gorgeous deep water wave 5x5 inch high definition lace closure wig. My wig is 24 inches long, 180% density, and it does have that thin high definition blendable lace closure. Now the lace is pre-cut, the knots are pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and it also has the adjustable elastic band. It has the ear design tabs on the sides of the units, just in case if you wear glasses or if you just want a nice comfortable fit behind your ears. It also has the adjustable elastic band and then the silicone backing, which prevents the wig from slipping off. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and lay the front perimeter of the unit. I'm just using a little bit of water, a little bit of my Eco Styler gel. Gonna go ahead and get that laid down, and then I'm going to go in and redefine these waves. So I let the wig sit and air dry overnight and it's completely dried. If you do have a cast on the unit, now would be the time to just sort of brush your fingers through the texture of the hair just to be able to break that cast right off, and then you're left with some nice soft hair. This is what the front perimeter of the hairline looks like, nice and laid. Now I am going to be taking my Ebin tinted lace spray in the color medium dark brown, and I'm just going to spray that all over the closure to where we get a nice meltable color. And now I'm just going to go ahead and get the wig on and see what we're working with. Now, do y'all see this high definition Blendaway lace? Do you see how thin it is and how it just melts right into the skin? Y'all, like, okay, all right. Y'all gotta check this out because I am amazed pretty much. But now I'm just going to, I got a little bit of baby hairs because y'all know me. I'm going to use a little bit of my Got2b glue. Now you can wear this glueless, but for me, y'all, I just prefer to melt my high definition lace down. It just looks so much better once it's melted down with like a little bit of Got2b glue spray. You guys can see how it's just one with my skin. Like, lace wear. Show me where the lace is at. So now I am just brushing my fingers through these waves just to kind of create some volume, and I am just loving this messy, beachy, effortless look. And the more that you play around with it, the bigger it gets, and I am just in love. But y'all, this is what this unit is currently giving. It's just giving, you know, it's the end of summer. you better spend as much time as you can at the beach before it starts to cool down. Now I'm in Arizona, it's hot. So we're gonna have hot temperatures all the way up until November. But y'all, this unit is definitely giving just like beach weather, beach, you know, going into fall, you know, it look cute with the sweater on, and I'm just here for it. Y'all, look at the movement of this hair, the body, it is just so cute. Oh my goodness, I love water wave texture hair. It is my favorite. But y'all, look at the lace wear, like where is the lace? Now UNICE finally got high definition lace on their units, and they are available on Amazon. So if you're looking to get an affordable high definition lace closure unit, definitely check this one out. You won't be disappointed whatsoever. Now this wig does retail for $226.99. They do have an 8% off discount code when you add the unit to your cart, so be sure to take advantage of that, or you can definitely get a shorter length if you want to save a little extra cash. Now with this unit, you do have the ear shaped design, so it's super simple to pull the hair behind your ears. You can go ahead and throw it up in a ponytail. I'm going to give you guys a quick little look with this unit up in a ponytail. Also, if you are a glasses wearer like myself, you can easily be able to put on your glasses, put on your sunglasses, and you don't have to worry about the unit feeling uncomfortable behind your ears or anything like that. This is definitely a game changer. But once again, you guys definitely check out this unit. It is available from UNICE, and they are on Amazon Prime. I will have all the details, links located in the info section below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. Now this is where the wig falls and hits on me. It's about waist length, super long, being that, you know, I'm a really tall girl myself. But yeah, you guys definitely check this unit out. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.